Every workout day is a victory. Celebrate your 24 victories. If this is your first time visiting the Trongyan Workout channel, this is a 90-day home workout video series designed for beginners. You can start anywhere, and you don't need any equipment. If the intensity of this workout video is too much for you, please choose another video that suits your fitness level. Full body fire. Sculpt your core and cardio with this killer workout. Get ready to torch your core and boost your cardio with this challenging workout. We'll be targeting your abs, lower back, and hip flexors with 3 core exercises, followed by a heart-pumping running session. 1 hollow rock, 5 sets. Lie on your back with your arms and legs extended. Raise your arms and legs off the ground, engaging your core to keep your body in a straight line. Rock back and forth, keeping your core engaged. 2. Lying leg raise, 5 sets. Lie on your back with your legs extended. Raise your legs straight up into the air, keeping your back flat on the ground. Lower your legs back down to the starting position. 3. Sit-ups, 5 sets. Lie on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Lower back down to the starting position. 4. Running, duration to be determined. Get your heart rate up and your lungs burning with a challenging running session. Adjust the duration and intensity to your fitness level. That's it for today's workout. Thank you for following along, and I'll see you in the next video.